Hello and welcome everyone. We are at MTech's 2023 show and we are having with us Mr. Carle, who has been a part of Adoptics of Norgren, who is providing solutions in the field of work holding, and he's been a part of this journey where they have built this beautiful product. So can you just elaborate us on this product?
Yeah, so we came up with this product after we have a bunch of machine shops and we do a lot of small runs that are anywhere from 1 part to 50 parts. And a lot of our time is spent in setup, right? And so we have to make fixturing to hold our parts, and it's very time consuming. And we struggle with getting a good workforce in that is good at that. And so something we came up with was a jaw that is adaptable to shapes. So we're able to take this shape and we can still do your normal square first piece, but after that, if you have a round or if it's a unique shape, we can mold this to the part, lock that shape in place, and then
Amazing.
run. And so then you're talking minutes instead of hours.
It's really amazing. Like, as I already said, that you have been this part of this innovation, right?
Yes.
You built this. So, would you like to share your experience on a personal front with us? Like, how did it all happen?
Yeah, so my background is I've been in machining for 20 years. I started in CNC programming. I was senior programmer, and then kind of transitioned into engineering and did a lot of the prototype development leading up to that. So this kind of stems from that type of a need, knowing, and frustration with time savings and that type of thing. And so it was brought up, and we kind of talked to the company about possibly doing something like this, which is totally new for us as far as offering something in work holding. And we got a good enough response from potential customers and a lot of people just asking about it and loving the idea that they actually built a whole new portion of the company around that. So that's just the start of it.
That's amazing. That's really amazing. So, what is the future of this machine in India? How would you like to elaborate this thing?
Yeah, so we've got a couple of people but taking trials with it and checking it out. The future with this, we could see kind of implementing in any of your job shops or small runs, prototype development type stuff. And then from there, depending on what else we come out with in our work holding line, being able to build that relationship further with those customers.
All right. Thank you so much for giving us the time, and we wish you a very, very healthy MTech's 2023 show for Norgren. Thank you.
Thank you.